Welcome to our Tagalog language learning lesson. This time, as I have mentioned last week, this our Tagalog language learning lesson will be every Monday, weekly now. And I hope you understand. How are you all? This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD MSCD, speaking to you about the video. New York City school teacher here in the USA, where I am, author, writer of 22 books, yes, 22, and also university professor, journalism teacher, and school paper advisor, teacher trainer here in New York City, president of the Teachers Association, outstanding teacher, if I could mention some of my accomplishments that God has given me always and more, with God's help and humility aside as well. And all my 22 books you'll find worldwide at Amazon, outskirtspress.com, all global stores worldwide, and at my two websites, juanitagutierrez.com, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED.com. And that little board that you see there that says ABC, Miss Gutierrez is a special teacher. That's a gift from my students. How are you all in Tagalog? Kumusta po kayo? And I would like to give my love, light, gratitude, blessings to our I Am God within our heartbeats, your heartbeats, and all humanity's heartbeats, as well as love, light, and gratitude to my beloved parents, to my cherished brothers and sisters and their own families, and to all of you, my wonderful fellow humanity, divine beings. We all are children of one greater source. And my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And welcome to my new subscribers. And please subscribe if you have not already done so. And I appreciate you all deep in my heart. Welcome once again to our Tagalog language learning lesson. And today we are going to discuss Tagalog particles. In Tagalog, mga kataga. When you have S there, that means plural, and S represents mga, MGA. This is pronounced mga. That means plural. And particles, or particle singular, kataga. First syllable ka, second syllable ta, third syllable ga. Kataga. The accent is in the third syllable, kataga. That's particle with S. That's plural. We say mga kataga. And these are some of the Tagalog particles, mga kataga. The difference between din and rin. Din, also in English, is used after consonants. Consonants in Tagalog, katinig. First syllable ka, second syllable ti, third syllable nig. The accent is in the second syllable, katinig, katinig. And so the din particles means also is used after consonants or katinig, katinig. Example, halimbawa in Tagalog, paligid din, paligid din. That means around also in English. Example of rin, it means as well. It also means also or to. It comes after vowels. Vowels in Tagalog patinig. Patinig. First syllable pa, second syllable ti, third syllable nig. The accent is in the second syllable. Patinig. Patinig. That's vowels. So the excuse me please. The particles rin, that means as well in English, is used after vowels or patinig. Example, halimbawa, bagurin. Bagurin. First syllable ba, second syllable go. Bago. Bago. The first syllable has the accent and rin is one syllable. That means new as well or two. Remember, the difference between the Tagalog particles, mga kataga, of din and rin. Din means also used after consonants. Consonants in Tagalog is katinig. Katinig. Example, halimbawa, paligid din. That's the katinig or consonants. Around also, that's in English. Another particle or kataga. Rin. Rin. That means as well, and it is used after vowels or patinig. Patinig, that's vowels. Example, halimbawa, bago rin. So that's rin and that's the vowels or patinig o. That means new or as well. And we have a new pen that has my book, Secret Miracles of Torres Judan Place. Book by yours truly, Miss Juanita Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. And I hope you learned some today for our Tagalog particles, mga kataga. Din and rin. The difference, din means also is used after consonants. Consonants is katinig. Katinig. Example, halimbawa, paligid din. This is consonants D. Around also, that's in English. Another particle, rin or kataga in Tagalog, rin as well. That's the meaning in English. It comes after vowels or patinig. Example, halimbawa, bago rin, and that's patinig, the O. Bago rin. New or as well. That's in English. And I hope you learned some today. See you once again. See you next week with God's help. Blessings of Christ, love and light to us all. And happy February and every day and the happiest of New Year's and always happy love month. And every month, every second of the day is love because God is love. And that's my first book, Speak Tagalog, a basic primer, written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSCD. Christ Like Mom and Dad is a Tagalog English version book. In Tagalog at the bottom, Maka Diyos Kristo na tatay at nanay. Written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSCD. And for those of you who are asking what BSED, MSCD means, those are the 2 university degrees that I have attained. BSED, Bachelor of Science in Education. I graduated at the University of the East in Manila, Philippines, together with all of my brothers and sisters from elementary, high school, all the way to our college graduation. Thanks be to God, to my beloved parents, my dad, is a USA stenographer, typist for so many years. Before he came here in America, where I am, my dad was an executive secretary of the mayor, and then my dad was chosen the only one, the first and only one, to be chosen to be the stenographer typist at the USA airport here in America for so many years. And then when my beloved father retired, my dad was twice then elected leader, and he signed the public school budget. Without my dad's signature, no teachers or principal could get paid. And it happened when I was first teaching there. And this school is where my beloved mom, the first woman ever elected public official in our hometown and a top-notcher as well as my dad, proposed and founded the only public high school. And this is where I was elected the youngest president of the Teachers Association, and also outstanding teacher and school paper advisor and journalism teacher, all the way to Manila to be the English professor, youngest professor at the University of the East, continuously here in New York City as outstanding teacher and teacher trainer of all New York City school teachers annually. It's called Teachers Institute. MSCD means Master of Science in Education. I graduated at Fordham University here in Manhattan, New York City, New York, USA, where I'm a New York City school teacher for so many years and more in my 22 books, as I have mentioned. And the 2 books are right here in front of you. Speak Tagalog, a basic primer, written by yours truly, Miss Gutierrez. And the other one is an English Tagalog version, Christ like Mom and Dad, Maka-Diyos Kristo na Tatay at Nanay, written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. In Tagalog, maraming salamat po. Thank you all so very much. See you next week. And blessings of Christ, love, and light to us all. Enjoy.